Today we are going to the new section for the mathematical language as simplify the fraction. Simplify the fraction is it also some topic in the mathematics as usually to do something process with the fraction. How will be solve any problem for the fraction and how many way in order to know about how you are simplify the fraction in order to make more understand for that. That's why it's very important to know for that for all the students to teach the or study the mathematics. But the fraction, I think so, is it very easy because we are take it from the in the past video. For the long, I have so many video about it. For that, how you add it, how will be subtract, how will be multiply, how will be division for the fraction. That's why we must to return back for that in order to make revision for it in order to more understand for that. Today I just give you the process how we are simplify the fraction as a cancelled or as divided or as multiply for some number in order to make simplify for that fraction. That's why we'll be obtained to the new result to solve the fraction. That's why I hope to enjoy with me, and please I want you to support this channel by subscribe and push the like. Thank you so much for watching. Now we'll be start. Thank you. Now find the high common factor for 12 and 18. In this case, he asked me to find the high common factor. We have two type of the factor for the factorization for the numbers to find it. High common factor and low common factors. High common factor we use it here in order to know about this coming 12 and 18 coming from what, which number is coming and which number as a high common factor both for both these numbers. That's why we are to see. We take it to 12 in order to see which is the high common factor for it. We try for that in order to see 1 times 12 is 12, 2 times 6 is 12, and 3 times 4 is 12. We get now 18. We check. 18 also, 1 times 18 is 18. 2 times 9 as is 18. Sorry, yes, is 18. And 3 times 6 as 18. So the high common factor 6 for both numbers 12 and 18. Why? Because here 6 and here 6. That's why it is high common factor. You see, is compound in each number. That's why I take it this 6 as a high common factors. So 2 over 2 equal 12, 18. I have this fraction 2 over 2 over equal 12, 18. I multiply this 3 by 6 in order to get 18 to solve this in order to know this 18 coming from what, from where is coming this 18. This 18 coming to multiply 3 times 6 and the 12 coming also 2 times 6 is give me 12. That's why 12 over 18 is equivalent for 2 over 3. هو الكسر المتكافئ للكسر 2 over 3. وهذه in this case In this case, we take it in the last video. You can revision for that in order to understand more. Now this another example, simplify the following fraction. I have here three fractions as 6 over 24 and 9 over 12 and 27 over 45. How can I simplify this, after this, after this? I will be start with 6 over 24. Please see carefully and listen. In this case, I will be do it about to see which is the high common factor both number. The high common factor for the both number is 624 is, which number is, after I do it like this is the timetable for each number, I will be get as 6, as 6. This you can return back to the high common factor and low common factor in order to know how you get it. This is to the any numbers. But now for exactly I get this 6 is common factor for 6 and 24. Now I will be do it like this normally because 6 cancelling with 6 is become 1 and 6 divided by 24 divided by 6 is give me the 4. So this is, I simplify this fraction to get 1 over 4. And I am also have the another way by directly and easy and faster way to cancelling 6 is 1 and 24, how many 6 is 4, I get direct this. But here I must do it like this in order to more practice and more understand. And I get, because so many people has struggles in order to know about how they will get this is high common factor. That's why we need you to make more than exercise in order to make competition for that between another student. You see? This fraction also I try to find the high common factor for 9 over 12. That's why I am do it here. 9 over 12 is which common factor? I stop the video and I will be you try to see this for a few minutes. You must to try, you must to make exercise in order to know. Take it this number separately and get the high common factor for it and get this 12 to get high common factor. Is it like this? To see which is the compound between this is and this number to take the home common factor. 3. The 3 is high common factor between 6 and 9 and 12. So I divided the 3 by 9 is become 3. 12, how many 3 is? 4. So I simplify this fraction to 3 over 4 and I can go do it first way, same that, as soon 3 over 4. Now I also try to find this, I also give you some time to get the high common factor for 27 over 45 to simplify this fraction. You can try. 9. The 9 is high common factor for 27 over 45. So when I divided how many 9 and 27 is 3, how many 9 and 45 is 5. That's why I can simplify this. This is the last result for that. That's why I make simplify for that fraction, 3 fractions. There's also some exercise in order to know about how you find the simplified fraction. I have here 75 over 100. He said to me, simplify this fraction. You want to simplify this fraction. I see 75 and 100. I am in my brain. I just try in my brain here to see if I divided this by 5, how many I get? If I divided this by 5, how many I get? If I divided this by 25, how many I get? If I divided 100 by 25, how many I get? I try, but it's better to see the high common factor in order to know about faster things. To see, now I get 25, I try to 25 times 3, he give me 75. 25 divide time 4, he give me 100. That's why I cancel in this is and cancel 25 from the numerator and denominator. I get 3 over 5. I get the new fraction as 3 over 5 because I divided this by 5 and divided this by 5 in order to get 3 over 5. This is the last result because here no canceling and no possible to simplify again for that. So for this also same process, you can do it about it in order to know. This also 20, I get 20 is easy things. 20 times 3 is 60. 20 times 5 is 100. That's why I cancel in 20 from denominator and numerators in order to get the same process at 3 over 5. This is the equivalent or simplify for this is 3 over 5 for 60 and 100. I simplify this fraction. Simplify the fraction also this exercise. Here I have max numbers, max fraction because I have one whole and 3 over 6. That's why I have here max fraction. Now I see this is, I can simplify this in order to get the result is good because this 3 and 6, 3 is 1 and 6, 2. That's why I cancel it or make divided by 2. And also I can do it this same process. Here 3 over 6 equal 3 times 1 over 3 times 2. 3 over 1, 3. 3 times 2 is 6. That's why I cancel 3 from both sides. I get 1 over 2. 1 over 2 is the fraction, simplified fraction for 1, 3, 1. That's why I am writing the right way. I can't keep it like this, but should be I get the 1 also over 1 over 2 in order to complete the answer. I can't leave it like this because this one whole 1 is half. Whole 1 is half, whose same 1 over 3, 6. This equivalent for this. Also here, same process, I can divide it, this is by 2, 1, and here by 5, it's order to get 3 over 1 over 5 to simplify this, but I can do it about, this is in order more understand, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 5 is 10. When I canceling 2, I get 1 over 5. 1 over 5. Also, I can't leave it like this. I must to leave it exactly the max fraction because here is max fraction. That's why I write it like this. Exactly, this is equivalent fraction for that. This question for you in order to try about this exercise. If you have difficult or you have some problem, you can comment for me. I will be try to more study for you by any way you want it or you like it. We have here 6 over 13, 75. You can try about this in order to know. This homework for you. How do you simplify a fraction? How? After we get this so many question or so many exercise practice, now we want to know about the method in order to take this method to solve any problem. There are two ways to simplify a fraction. Method 1. هناك طرق عديدة لحل أو لتبسيط الكسور، وهناك طريقتين أساسية في الحقيقة. الطريقة الأولى اللي هي هذه method 1 نشوفها. Try to exactly divided only whole number. Answer both the top and bottom of the fraction by 2, 3, 5, 7, 4 until we can go on further. Meaning for this is meaning for I simplify for that هو we take it whole number 2 divided by numerator and denominator in order to simplify the fraction. When we get it before in the practice, you can return back to the practice and no. That's why we see. Example. Simplify the fraction 24 over 108. You see. I divided this 24 by 2 and divided this is 180 by 2. I will be get after I divided both numerator and denominator by 2. I will be get this is 12 over 54. Here I can't also, this is, I can't keep it like this because I can't also simplify this because I try to simplify for way. I divided the numerator and denominator also by 2. I get 6 over 27. 6 over 27. Here also I can simplify this 2 divided by 3, both sides, numerator and denominator, in order to get 2 over 9. This is the last result. This is the last result or equivalent fraction for 24 over 180. See, first I divided by 2. I tried to divide by 2. I tried by 4. But after that should be if either by 4 or by 6. Maybe I get more process in order to get 2 over 9. This is the last. Should be I get 2 over 9. Now 2 over 9, I can't do anything about it. No canceling, no multiply, no divided, because not except. That's why I divided this by 2, I get this. Divided this by 2, I get this. Divided this by 3, I get this. This is the paras in order to go that fraction simplify to 2 over 9. This is the last result. Okay, there is third method. Use this tool. Here I give you some method to try in it. That's why I am make a video for this. I get it. This is I see this is in the website is very nice in order to more understand about it, in order to make exercise or practice for it. You can see this here. You can do it this in order to know. And also here you can do it about it. You can see. You can try to this. For more knowledge and clarifying, please watch this follow video. You see here, we can accept this because this is decimal place. This also is wrong. Yes, because I try by 7 another decision. That's why I looking here for high common factor for both number. This is website you can return back in order to more understand about it. And thank you for watching. I hope you understand what I said, and please comment for me and support the channel by that. Thank you for watching and see you for next video. Bye bye. Love.